Well, to wrap up, we need to wrap up that it's very important, guys, to take care of the fire hazards here. Don't use any naked fires in front or next to flammable materials. What do you mean naked? Naked fire? What does it mean? Like match? Like a light? That's right, lighter. PPE, is it important to wear PPE in the workplace?
Of course,
yes.
Why? Yeah, please focus on that. Protects you. To save you from hazards.
Yes.
To avoid hazards.
Yes.
Good. What if a hazard, a very urgent, let's say very a critical hazard happened in the workplace? Is it safe to call 991 or 911? I'm not sure the emergency number.
Yeah. 998.
998? I'm not sure. 998 here in Saudi Arabia?
Yes.
So what about the first aid? Can you do it yourself until they come? It may take time. Can you do it? I mean, try to help yourself. Find exit and to find any place, maybe like assembly point. Yes, to wrap up, guys, wrap up again. We have already finished. Please, I'd like you to sign. Nasser, would you please take the signatures of the attendees? Yes, okay. Make sure that everyone will sign here. Okay. And ask them, please sign here. Thank you, everybody, for being with us today. Hope you have safe work. Thank you.